Hello, thank you for joining me for another tutorial on the latest module from Trading Room. This one is the Liquidity Index Volume Scanner. This is brought to you by Trading Room and myself, ChingasX. Quick disclaimer, my name is Chingas. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please trade, invest at your own risk. This is what we're going to be talking about. We're going to take a look at the scanner as a whole. Then we're going to break down liquidity, volume, what does it do, how can it help you, who can use the scanner, who could benefit from it the most, and then where you can find the scanner. So this one is going to be pretty streamlined, just a quick tutorial over the scanner itself, and then we'll do another video that's going to harp on volume a bit, a little bit more of a deep dive. So let's get right into it. This is what it's going to look like as soon as you pop it on the screen. You're going to look at a few things here: coin pair, price, volume, market cap, liquid index, and then a 24 3-day, 7-day volume scanner, and then you'll have a D1 and a live Fibbo thrown on there as well. So we'll go into that in just a second. So the volume scanner itself, you'll see the exchange on the top along with the watch list. Now the watch list works between all three modules. So save a coin in the watch list, you'll be able to see it again in the RSI scanner and again in the price action scanner. On the far right hand side, you'll see the D1 and the live Fibbo move. That's from the price action scanner brought over to the volume scanner. You'll see why, because we're going to harp a little bit on the 24-hour difference as we get into the types of traders that'll be able to use this most. So the liquidity index on the volume scanner itself, you'll see liquidity index over here. It'd be the fourth column over, and it's going to have a percent given to it, a percent number adjusted for it. So what is it? Right, it's the amount of coins traded versus the circulation supply. So simply put, in this example, fuel has a circulation supply of 561 million, right? Where the volume traded in Binance alone against BTC was 972 million, which gives you an increase in volume of 173%. So you know, liquidity-wise, right? So if this was 6 million, the total market cap, let's just say, you know, that this was 200 for easy math. We could say that you're trading around 12 million. That's the easy way to break that down. So circulation supply is all possible coins available in existence, including all mined, possibly lost, or stolen. Volume traded would be the amount of coins traded back and forth within the selected exchange within this particular pairing. Now on the mobile, you'll be able to see all the key points here, and plus you'll have that little arrow there for all the additional information. It'll all be right there for you, very easy to see. Moving on to the volume side of things, we have three columns: a 24, a 3-day, and a 7-day. So let me break down how that works for you. The current volume is the current 24-hour period, 1,422 Bitcoins. Okay, whatever Bitcoin's current price is, this will reflect how much volume you have on this particular pair. Now the 24 represents 24 hours prior to this 24-hour period, meaning this 1,422 is the volume, right? In respect to where it was, it's up 779% to where it was the previous day. The 3-day takes an average of the previous 3 days, and you can see that this is up 2,583%. So 1,422 is up 2,583% from a 3-day average, and same with a 7-day average. The calculations are the same. All right, so you can clearly see what trading volume has increased steadily or jumped very quickly over the course of time, over the course of, let's say, 7, 3, and 24 periods. And again, we'll take a look at the mobile view right here. This will just give you an indication of how it looks on mobile. And then again, you'll be able to hit the little arrow down here to be able to swing it back into the other view. So, who can make use of this scanner? Well, day trading and scalping, they're going to get the most use out of it. And that's why I sort of harped on that 24-hour volume. And you'll have selective use for swing traders. So you're not completely forgotten by any stretch of the means. It's geared a little bit more towards day trading and scalping. All right, so let's take a look at the actual scalpers, what they may be seeing or what they may be benefiting from. So you're a trader who gets in and out of trades very quickly. You need liquidity to get your orders filled to either buy or sell. You can see where the liquidity lies within the market and the ideal pairs to trade. Now, a day trader, intraday trader, you're getting your orders in and out by end of day. It's crypto is 24/7, so there really is no end of day. But you might be doing 1 to 4 hour swings. You might be doing 2 to 8 hour swings, something in that ballpark. So you're looking for high liquidity pairs for tighter spreads. You're also looking for orders for to buy and sell easier with more liquidity. So for you, you could scan the 7-day, the 3-day, and the 24-hour to see trends in volume that's increasing and decreasing. All right. So, well, I'm going to bring up the live one in a second, but clearly, where can you find the scanner? It's on tradingroom.io. That's where you're going to find it. So now that we have it up, let's take a better look at it. This is the live market right now. This is what we're looking at. So we just talked about the columns over here. You have your coin pairs, and of course you could sort it by coin pair, you could sort it by price, you could sort it by volume, market cap, liquid index, 24 change, 3-day, 7-day, D1, and live Fibbo. Every one of these up here is a sortable option. So let's just sort it by the liquid index, and we'll go to what is the most liquid. So the most liquid right now currently, BCPT, with a BTC pairing showing 1,426 Bitcoins worth being traded. On a 3 million market cap coin, right, we're 182% liquid. So the entire circulation supply of 3 million plus another 82% of that, you're showing 182%. But what is that in respect to what it was, let's say, a few days ago? Well, 2 days ago, or the 24 hours after today's current 24-hour period, it's up 167%. From the 3-day average, it's up 251%, and from the 7-day average, it's up 250%. Our current D1 move, for reference, is up 25%, with the current retrace or pullback, 17% of that 25% lost. You can get all of that information right here, right quickly, right? So I'm losing my words over it. But you can get all the information right here very quickly, a quick snapshot of what's liquid, what's not, what kind of pairs you're going to have issues getting your orders filled. More importantly, getting your sell orders to get out of a trade that you're ready to either pull profits from or try, not that you're trying to, but if your stop gets hit, you want to make sure that order gets filled. You might have some trouble doing that on something that is down, 1,000% from where it was yesterday. So today's current volume, 20 Bitcoins on the VIA BTC pair, will show you could be in a little bit of trouble executing some of those orders, being 1,000% down from where it was yesterday. And then the 3-day 32, the 7-day 286. All right, so this is how it works. This is how it looks. This is how it operates. This is here to use as another tool to try to execute, bring up charts that are going to have better setups. This gives you a little bit more confluence. It gives you a little bit more confidence that you'll have liquid in the market that you're trying to trade. Again, this is all on Binance right now, and this is all for current volume that's happening right now in respect to Bitcoin, 1,426 Bitcoins. All right, so that basically wraps it up. That's the scanner as a whole. Tried to keep this somewhat short so that everyone can watch it without getting too bored. There will be a deeper dive into volume and liquid. We'll be putting that video out shortly, so you'll be able to stay tuned for that if you do want the educational side or the sort of deeper dive of what's going on. On the site itself, if you go over to the blog section, you'll be able to see a write-up going over the liquid index and volume scanner. So you'll be able to get the legends, the screenshots, and all that stuff right there if you need it. All the information you can need about it is right there for quick reference. And we're looking to do some type of live AMA after everyone's got their hands on it, used it for a little bit, and maybe got some questions. All right, so that's it. That's a wrap. I hope this was short enough for you guys. So use it. Let us know. Obviously, all feedback is welcome. Until then, I want to see you on the exchanges, and happy trading.